Unbreak me, please. Hurry. Help me. Grab my arm.
Okay, Tori, going up.
Here we go! Kia!
A knight jumping onto hooks over water is not
Nice,
probably the
Tori.
smartest of things.
Hiya!
You grab my arm was broken before I tried to jump.
It's because you guys are missing the pirate hat.
Okay, I need a
Right.
little break. I need to go with the dog. I'll be back.
Okay.
Okay. How do I get you guys up here?
No idea.
Good. I suppose, I mean, you've got the shipping containers here, haven't you?
I mean, we could lift up the containers.
As much as I've made things a lot harder by getting rid of the ones on the
I
ship.
said, gee, it's as if we needed the ship.
But no, we can.
No.
This
What
thing
if
can
you-
move, can't it? This thing
Yeah, what
moves,
if you
can
grab
swap-
one of the shipping containers
Yeah, the yellow or the blue one.
and then either bring it to where I am or... Because this is open right here. So it's as if we're supposed to get over there from here.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Like, this is all open for a reason.
Yeah,
like,
for a
there's
reason.
nowhere
I
else.
think you're absolutely right. Absolutely right. Who was good at using
Can you grab the-
drone then just put-
There, and then lower it like a touch, maybe? There you go, and I think you can... Stop.
I'm just seeing how much.
Oh. I mean,
How the hell are
Yeah.
we going to?
You haven't got a steering mechanism round your side.
me? No. There's, like, nothing over here.
We have to do it.
Hello.
Hi, B.
Hello, face.
What?
What?
So B,
That's Rod.
face, and Rod.
They sound the same.
Face, sorry.
Well done, lads.
Well,
No, fuck you.
I think
Fuck
you can...
Oh, we're going to hook those up.
I'm
So yeah, thanks for getting this from me, Rod. It actually has turned out to be quite a lot of fun. I was not expecting it to
Getting what? This game? Yeah.
be.
Yeah.
What are you thanking Rod for?
Because he got a 4-pack, didn't he?
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Coral did as well, so basically, like, all of my Discord could play this game.
I got given.
Okay, and then... There you go. Can... hang on.
It's so hard to fucking hook something on this game.
A little bit towards you.
Gee, if only we had a ship.
Actually, that works, Clark, that works. Bring it down to back toward your left, and then it'll go over the edge of the blue, and then just back it in again. Just let go. That'll be one hooked in. No, to the left. Your left.
Left to the wall.
It's what drips down my
Oh,
hole.
that's wrong.
Down, ski, motherfucker!
Ah, skeet, skeet, hot damn.
1 second, yeah, I got an idea.
Left little bit. I think maybe it's a perspective thing because you were lined up well enough. I suppose more people helping could be good.
I think if you raise the crane, like, a bit, so that you guys can swing over here, I think you'll make it. You know?
Yeah, okay, but I mean, doesn't that still make it? Wouldn't it be better to have them attached? Because when
Can you put your body
just
a
because
little?
if we get 4 attached and then lift it up a bit, okay, so that's like a challenge. But it means then he could raise it up a bit, but then he could actually jump out there himself and climb up. Or is that overly complicated? If you just no, it's overly complicated, isn't it?
Yeah, I was like...
alright.
Well, if we had a
I did drive the ship off the edge of
It's-
the world, so I suppose it's.
It is the catapult situation all over again.
I think so too.
It's a joke. It's a joke. I keep it.
No, you're not wrong. It's true. No, Carl,
You're a
what are you
bitch, but
doing?
you're not wrong. Like
What?
Coral.
I had an idea and it fucked up.
Okay.
And you just climb onto the crane and then like just eat, but
It's not close enough.
there's shit when you need them.
Yeah, so just raise the crane up, like as high as you can go.
Yeah, you do that. How about that? Because my brain seemed like
just bring it up.
Watching Q. Trying to figure out. It's so weird, I know.
Did I do right?
Keep going.
More?
Up, up,
Oh
up, up,
yeah,
All,
yeah, yeah.
all the way.
up, 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 up. There, you're good. That should be
How
plenty.
far up?
Up, 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 up,
Can you
up.
grab onto my legs?
There you go.
Can you bring
Where?
it down like a touch for a second? Swing.
Oh,
Oh, it's cute, eh?
Yeah.
Just a teeny bit.
a little more, little more.
T-Rex arms, man. Come on. Oh, fuck!
That should be good, I think.
Yeah.
Walk my head
I think so
down.
too.
Fuck. You can make it, Jim. There. Oh.
I had it perfectly. I had it perfectly beforehand and decided not to do it because I wanted to look cool. And now look like I am. Back on the bitch side of the
Fuck,
fucking
I want to
box.
throw my
Oh,
mouse
God.
in madness. Fuck.
No, 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 no. None of that. None of that.
So annoying. Stupid fucking right on it.
Ah! Oh, Jim.
Pull me up, Carl. Pull me up.
Pull you by the tape. Can you stop moving that, please?
It's all gone to pieces.
I can go all the
Yeah,
way there.
so-
Okay, that's how nice. Okay.
Is that too high for you guys to reach?
I believe so. If I can make it to the fucking blue container.
Container.
Hey, Shiz is back.
Oi, get off.
I'm back.
Let
Hey,
go.
Shiz, I think Jim totally screwed you guys.
What?
Kind of
Doesn't surprise
easy
me.
to,
Oh, hang on.
Okay, so here's our plan right now.
Hello?
Rod's
Where'd
here.
that come from, eh?
So we're
He's a-
supposed to
he's a
have
spy.
like 3 shipping containers, I'm guessing.
So it would
But
seem.
Jim drove big ship
Bounty.
with crates off the edge of the earth.
Well,
Okay, lower
It
the
was
hooks
glorious.
like a little bit. Nope.
Down.
Right. Okay. Now try and swing.
Everybody,
way.
jump on the hooks.
Could you
Yeah.
help me up?
Oh, well, wait. What about you, Q?
Well, you can guys do
Thermal
it without.
momentum.
it right now.
You can make it,
No,
Carl.
that's fine.
A little higher. No.
Oh no!
Oh my god.
I tried to grab you.
Higher. You're cute. Higher. I'm just hitting.
Oh,
the
go
fucking-
higher?
Yeah, I need
But
higher. right
then no one else will be able to reach it.
now. No, it's
Rod, I don't-
because-
Can I invite you? Are you gonna play?
Higher is the
Jump
only
on
Yeah,
the
we
way.
hooks,
need we
please.
need higher because Shiz is holding all the weight right now because he's heavy as fuck.
I'm a
Jump. Are
chunky
you
dog.
holding? Hold jumps.
Up.
Yes.
Yep, ready.
Sorry. You need to swing at the same
I'm
time.
not sure why you're both holding on the same one.
I
Son
know.
of a bitch grabbed it.
There you go. Yes. Shiz.
We did it!
What did you say, Rod? Did you want to hop in or no?
Yeah, in a bit.
How was work?
Suck.
I fell.
Boys.
No. No.
I know those games.
I've never heard that noise come out of Jim.
Me neither.